How to log into your Facebook account. It's a very simple and a quick process, so let's get started. First thing first, you have to make sure that you have already installed the application Facebook on your device. If not, head over to your Play Store or an App Store and then install it. Once you've got the app on your device, open the app. Well, it will be landing you on its homepage of Facebook. Well, in order for you to log into your account, you must have created your account already. All you want to do is enter your mobile number or your email address and then enter the password that you have created before. Once you have entered your login credential, all you want to do is tap on login. But in case if you have forgotten your password, then you can click on forgot password and then recover it. And there you go, you have been logged into your Facebook account successfully. So that's all for today. If you found this video helpful, make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next one.